everybody, Lorraine here. I'm going to work on some blooms on a canvas. I haven't done any yet. And what I am using, so I have a Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. I have a Liquitex Basics Florescent Pink. And I have a Lake Blue by Master's Touch Acrylic, the Fine Touch Art Studio. Okay. What I am going to start out with is this is a Glidden house paint, interior latex paint, semi-gloss white. Put that down on my canvas. Just going to put an outer ring here, and then I'm going to put some puddles. I'm going to do 3 diagonal across here to begin with. Okay, then I have my colors mixed with 3 parts of this un-tinted interior high gloss enamel. It's a deep base, to about 1 part of the polyacrylic Miniwax. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my darkest color. This is the Dioxazine Purple. And then my Lake Blue. I thinned these down a little bit from the last time that I used this technique, and I've got them running a nice steady stream off of the stick. Not sure how well you can see that. Leaving a nice mound on a mound. Okay, and then my fluorescent pink. And then my cell creator, which is golden titanium white. It is mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. I put a few drops of the pre-stain conditioner in it. Probably about 10 drops pre-stain conditioner to the amount that I used. There we go. Okay, I'm going to start right in the middle one. Excuse my head here. Here's that one. And I'm going to test something here. I'm going to see if I can do this with a straw. There you go. There we go. It's actually working better for me with the straw. I was able to get that one spread out a little bit more. Let's get some pretty cool cells going on. I'm going to put some more of my cell creator in this one. And I'm going to, this one down in the corner, I'm going to gently blow on it. Okay, those are looking really pretty. You can let them get back so that settles a little bit. Put another puddle down and do another one over here. I want to continue practicing these kind of blooms. I think they're turning out pretty good. I'm liking the results of these, and I really like these colors together. Put some of that gorgeous neon pink. Or excuse me, I think it was actually fluorescent pink. Believe it or not, those two things have two different properties. Okay. There we go. That's pretty cool. I like the way the neon pink is going around it. And just so I don't have an even number on here, I'm going to do another puddle over here. Okay. I have to let that one come back together a little bit. So you can see it's kind of sticks. It'll stick down to the bottom a little bit. Try and move this around. Just gonna give it a little more paint to help it stretch. A little carried away there. A little more down here. And now we'll try and stretch them all around together. See what we can come up with. I'm going to stretch to one corner. We'll go to that corner first. I'm going to bring it back. This one right here is looking pretty cool. See what happens to that one in the middle. Not sure what's going to happen. For some reason, this one doesn't want to move here. Picking up some paint from the table and to help it along. Okay. So bring it back to the center a little bit. Stretch it down this direction. Bring it back. I'm going to slowly stretch the one in the middle there. It's pretty cool. I'm really liking the one on the top corner there. That's stretched out beautifully. Let me show you here. It's gorgeous. I love it. This one down here. It's the one in the middle. I still think needs a little help. It's not as easy to do this with multiples on a canvas. I'd like to see if I could do one large one on a canvas and see how that works out. I have some paint left over, so maybe I'll try that on a 12 by 12. But there we go, guys. Some really cool little cells going on. I'm loving this corner right here. I love the neon pink. It's pretty neat. Made kind of a strange composition. A lot of white space in between. But hey, it's all a test. It's a lot of fun to see how these turn out. So thanks for visiting with me, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.